Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change ringtone in your Tecno Camon 20. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno Camon 20 and you are wondering how to change ringtone. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click here in your Tecno Camon 20 settings section. After click over settings section, you will see a screen appear just like this. You need to scroll down and then you will find here something say sound and vibration. After click over sound and vibration, scroll down and you will find here something say SIM 1 ringtone, SIM 2 ringtone. We all know Tecno supported dual SIM, so my phone has dual SIM and you can easily choose each SIM, each ringtone. For example, I would like to change a ringtone my SIM 1, so we're going to open that and you can easily choose any ringtone you want. And then if I want to change SIM 2 ringtone, you can go again here SIM 2 ringtone. In SIM 2 ringtone, you might have a favorite music and you want to set them. You can click here add ringtone and that's going to be appear here. You can easily choose the you have a music from your SD card or your phone. You can simply choose that and you can set them. So whenever someone calling in SIM 2, that sound or ringtone or music going to be play. So in this simple way, you can easily change ringtone in your Tecno Camon 20. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next one. Peace.